Fancy, what is your nest in Sweden? Then I saw you.
What's it? And Sweden.
And at that moment, I knew this wasn't just a simple boat ride. It was about to get real. His answer surprised me, and what came next was even more unexpected. And what started as a peaceful cruise quickly turned into a lesson on how to survive on water.
Oh, okay.
Now, imagine being stuck on a dam with no food, no paddle, and the rain just started to fall. What would you do? I wasn't ready for what he told me next, and these are the real life things you never think about on water. And what he said next will make you think twice before stepping into a canoe. And trust me, that was just the beginning of what I discovered here. Now, think you know what to do in these situations? Wait till you hear his answers. Alright, so let's take this journey together and see how prepared you really are. Sometimes it's not just about the ride, it's about the questions you never expect to ask. Join me, Atta Smart, your explorer, and let's enjoy this conversation as we cruise on the Owabi Dam in the Ashanti region of Ghana.
Right, and I don't know. Said I'm catching on that's Owabi Dam. So we are taking this opportunity to learn a lot from our fisherman over here. Yes, on the or there by what canoe ya first super. Now today the question I'm asking here is what a canoe so to say so can see like this. Now say and so a gym in so trap. I say so to the pa. And then I saw yeah, Baba. Fancy, what is your nest in Sweden? Then I saw you.
What's it? And Sweden. Why do I saw you? Said and the man of a boat in Akon. Job boat in the man.
Okay.
And you pass out the boat to me as the man of Bob and told the challenge. As I boat in the bed. Obey job boat in a man for the man. As I would Timonas and for the man, I cast the boat to know what they are. Intimate Danada. Now, what the challenge in the done.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, quite an amateur.
Okay. Oh, but it's not common to what?
You fruit to do and soon as I TV.
Oh, okay.
A fruit. Is that a mango?
Yeah.
No, not
Oh, and we are no one soon be home.
You don't know what's your ass. You could have what down no by my time and I'm back.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
What come, what here would be at the said there would be a mango and I would be apple.
Wow. Oh, okay. And everyone tries to produce here. Paddle a croway. Fancy for whatever reason, not paddle no and count home. And I say, we crab say, and I dare to swim now at Teleco baby. I probably never saw Obako.
Pardon, answer a bed through some never covered. A different some I am from a day, pardon.
Yes,
and see the boat never had a beer and from a aircon. Now the ones are pardon because of all the ones I pardon into boat to never pocket say, pardon, net dance you. Not a pardon and say, go how walk it may be.
Okay.
The boo a half an hour can. What the bay
oh, they could draw. Wow.
They do also to me banner. Now, pardon, you see your top now, Jeffrey, and some not when you touch now, yeah. What the ones
okay.
What the ones are the paddle. Now the coffee.
Listen, based on okay there. A advisable say over Susan Adjoa. For the touch ever. Okay. Oh, okay.
So I was on the cow.
Wow.
I'm
Okay.
It is a weekend. The beat is a net and not a chili. And I say, okay, so open the dinner one.
Yes.
Now what's that?
Oh, okay. And I don't know, yeah, na so nante to say, what's the experience? And I don't know we are nante difference between the woman.
So the what I will be who to say the woman.
The whole class every year.
I will to say the original how who's will be one of our. I ain't Hannah, one of you. Maybe who you want to say the
Okay.
I won't walk. Actually, to say the other castle, the I will be one of our. This is high nature.
Oh, okay. Wow. Wow. And yeah, these are some of the questions that it was bothering me that I wanted you to also have an education on that. And we are so lucky and fortunate to come along with Mr. Baba. He's a fisherman over here, and today he is riding us with the canoe. Yes, and so we decided to take an opportunity to learn a lot while we're still on the dam over here. So we are currently checking our net once again. Baba, we know what the we are checking our net to see if this time we can get tilapia once again.
Now, you want to know what else Owabi is hiding? From thick forest to rare wildlife, the next video takes you further than the dam ever could. Now, this place changed how I see nature. Oh yes, but that wasn't even the most eye-opening part. You will see what I mean in the next one. And this is what we do on Atta Smart Explorers. Uncover stories, places, and the people that don't always make the headlines, but deserve to. Now, if you love discovering hidden places in Ghana and beyond and hearing rare stories that inspire, this channel was made for you. Subscribe now and join the journey. More wild, more real, and more Ghana. Once again, hit the subscribe button and let's keep exploring together. Owabi was just the beginning. And thank you very much for watching this particular video. I'm so grateful for your time and everything. Do well to share this video to others so they can also have a watch and get to find out that we have a whole lot of tourist attractions in Ghana and in Ashanti region. Oh yeah, it's in Kumasi to be precise. Thank you very much. And you know what? I'll be grateful to see you in the next video. Thank you, and do have a wonderful moment wherever you do find yourself watching this particular video.
You got it, yes. All right, so we're still discovering the beautiful places over here in the Ashanti region of Ghana. Actually, we will tour the whole country, but currently we're in the Ashanti region for a couple of months, and then we've got a lot of video on our channel over here. You can actually scroll and watch. Yes, videos on our highways, videos in the cities. In fact, the KJT popular market and all that. A lot of videos, yes, over here in Ashanti. The Ashanti region is very nice with a lot of tourist sites, and so we try to tour all the tourist sites and just to let you know what we have over here.